Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We apply the formula of Cauchy-Euler differential equation. So I will put about yc equals to s to the power of n. Later that we do first the derivative of this one. So we have ns to the power of n minus 1. Next, we do second derivative of this one. We have n multiplied by n minus 1 s to the power of n minus 2. Because this is about complementary solution, that means this one equal to number 0. Next, I will put this one gone here. This one gone here. This one gone here. And now s squared with s to the power of n minus 2, we will have s to the power of n. Similar for the next one. Next, s to the power of n, we can do about factorization. So that means this one equals to number 0. And now we have n squared minus n. Now n minus n we cancel. We have n squared minus 1. And now we have n squared equals to number 1. And now we have n equals to number 1 and n equals to negative number 1. We just put the square root for the both sides and we got like this. Next, we have yc in here. So we have c number 1. That is about constant number 1. S to the power of n, we change n into number 1. So we have s to the power of number 1. So we can write by s. Now we have c number 2. That's about s to the power of negative number 1. So we can write into 1 over s. Now let's go to particular solution in here. So we see that we have L and S. So we put about YB equal to A, L and S. Now if we do first the derivative of this one, we have A over S. If we do second derivative of this one, we have negative A over S squared. And now I will put this one gone here, this one gone here, and this one gone here. Now if we simplify, we got negative A and positive A. A minus A we cancel. So we just have this one left. So coefficient of this one is about number 1. So negative A equals to number 1. So A equals to negative number 1. And now we put negative number 1 go back in here. And we have YB equals to negative L and S. And now we have the final answer. We combine yc and yb together. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.